Hi everyone, it's Kaya, and my subject is biology. I chose high school lesson 1 of semester 1, which describes and states that to develop and use a model to illustrate the key function of an animal's body system, including food digestion, nutrition intake, transport through the body, exchange of oxygen, carbon dioxide, removal of waste, and regulation of body processes. The clarification statements emphasize that it's a primary function of the following body systems: just digestion, the respiratory, circulatory, and the nervous system. In situations like this, where the material is so condensed, I strongly believe in the Carnell notes method. But I understand that some students may not like the idea of like writing down notes constantly with informations, and it's kind of intense. And some students may feel that they enjoy more of a hands-on activity. So an approach that I was thinking of was introducing the sections in smaller mass, like introducing like 10 parts of if I'm doing the circulatory system, the heart. So separating the heart based on the veins, the arteries, and the capillaries, and go through that, and also introduce the students with I guess like a game, or have them watch a video to get them engaged into the material hands-on first, and then that's when I would proceed back and then introduce Carnell notes with what we're gonna learn from the topic. Not too context. I would like to keep it as in a flip method. As for, I would introduce the students to the material early on through reading their textbook through a few pages, and kind of get familiar with the material so they know what is expected when they would enter into the classroom. And after the lecture, which will associate with the Carnell notes, is introduced, I would bring out a worksheet that will have the student, more like artistic, be able to draw, for example, the circulatory system themselves, and labeled veins, arteries, like red and blue, for oxygenated and oxygenated blood. And then I will also in the classroom with another game. That's how we keep the kids like super engaged and see what they remember, what they've learned. And I would definitely in this situation try and do smaller tests, or quizzes, like little pop quizzes that because it's such a condensed material that some things can be lost. So yeah, and that would be all for my video. Thank you.